Again, good morning,
Good
ma'am.
morning again and again and again.
Yes, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
And ma'am, today also you will have the head pain.
Good morning,
So
ma'am.
today I won't have.
Yes, ma'am.
Written
I
work.
think you have used Jhandu balm.
Yeah, mama.
No, I haven't used Jhandu balm. Today I don't require it. Today I require something for my throat. That is why I'm
Ma'am,
making you do written work. So that I
throat toffees.
yes,
Now we do answer the following in brief.
yes, we will do it.
Ma'am, we can't we do another thing?
Ma'am, this is the creative class.
What?
My creative class. This
Yeah,
is.
I know this is our creative class, but today we'll complete this chapter. Okay? Let's
Okay,
finish
ma'am.
this chapter of SST. Mute yourself.
Ma'am, can I continue from the same page, ma'am? Because ma'am, because some lines are left.
Yes, beta, continue from the same page. This is just third period going on.
Ma'am, so this is CD.
CT, ma'am, I think third last. It is.
Oh, we have CT also.
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes,
God.
CD also.
Four periods with fourth B.
No, ma'am. 5 periods.
1, 2, 3, 4. No, beta. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 4 periods in all. This is the third period going with you. Yes. Then we'll have sixth period again together. In CT period, we're going to do something, some drawing. Yes.
No, ma'am, that not that golden value. We can draw something interesting.
Yes, we'll draw. And Shirsh will find out that interesting thing today. Yes?
Ma'am, I can draw anything. Ma'am, I draw from YouTube. Ma'am, I find things and then draw it.
Okay. Yes.
Can we make drawing?
Not now. Stuti, what are you showing me?
Ma'am, timetable.
Ma'am,
Yesterday I
Okay, ready?
Ma'am, please share the screen.
Yes.
I am ready to write.
Let me listen to everyone. Yes. What?
Ma'am, you were saying that we will do the more map work.
But of this chapter we have already done now. This chapter we've already marked. So in this
Ma'am,
chapter,
I am just coming in 1 minute. Don't start anything.
I will start now. Now you go and
Ma'am, please wait. I am just coming.
Okay, okay.
Ma'am, please start.
Till then, all of you just start writing the first question. Write down the heading, answer the following in brief, exercise D, and write down the first question from the book.
What, ma'am? We not do keywords. Key point.
Key points are over. There are 27 key points in all. They are done.
I'm tired writing and writing.
So did you do that exercise I told you? First open your camera, Sarthak. Everybody open your cameras. Sarthak, do like this. Do like this. Stretch your arms forward. Stretch them properly. You should feel the stretch over here. Okay? Yes? Then take it up.
I'm back.
Yes? Take it sidewards. Rotate it round and round like this. Yes? Do this rotation. All of you. And then what you're going to do? Move your fingers. Take your fingers backward and bring them forward like this. Bend your hand inside. Backward.
Ma'am, can I crack my joints?
Yes?
Ma'am, can I Can I crack my joints?
Yes, crack your joints. Okay, yes. Stretch your fingers. Squeeze your hands. Squeeze your right hand from your left hand. Make them free like this. Yes. Shake them. Then with your right hand, pick your pencil in your hand and start writing the first question. Now it's
Where's
time.
the first question?
Written? Okay, now I'll share the screen.
Ma'am, can I ask one thing?
Yes, ask.
Can you see something above my pencil? A white paper?
Wait, let me see. No, I can't see because the background is white wall only. So it is merging in that. Yes. Yes, beta. Who was saying excuse
Ma'am,
you? Hmm.
ma'am, yesterday's student values, ma'am, can I show? Ma'am, but are not colored.
Beta, that
So
you
I
will show
written.
me in CT lecture. Okay, don't show it now. Show me in the CT lecture.
Okay,
Right?
ma'am, also your period is coming.
Yes. We have 4 lectures together today. Out of 8 lectures, in 4 lectures, I am with you. Okay.
Ma'am, I can tell the first answer.
Yes, of course, you can tell. Name the important industries of Haryana.
The important industries of Haryana are tractor manufacturing, cotton and sugar manufacturing.
Very good.
Sorry, ma'am, industries.
Yes. Very good. Now, here it comes. Everybody start writing. Yes.
Exercise.
Huh?
Ma'am, we not done exercise 4 and 5.
We have done.
We have done, ma'am.
We have done all the exercises, beta. Where were you?
No, ma'am, I am saying answer one word. There 4 and 5 is not done. We not discussed.
Stuti, we have discussed that also. Rajghat is located where? New Delhi. And the capital city of both Haryana and Punjab is Chandigarh. We discussed in the last.
Yes, ma'am, we have discussed. Ma'am, may I go to drink water?
Yes, beta, go.
Ma'am, what is written after tractor?
Tractor manufacturing.
Ma'am, it's detail or brief?
It is brief, beta. But if you are talking about question number 2, name 2 important cities of Uttar Pradesh. Then, and what are they famous for? So it will take up these many lines.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, this is question in detail.
Ma'am, please scroll down. Ma'am, please change the page.
Ma'am, these are answer the following question in brief.
Yes, beta, these are answer the following in brief. Everyone has done this page.
Ma'am, I haven't.
Ma'am, I have done.
No, okay, so I'm not changing the page right now. Those who have done can just click picture and send the page on the class group. I will change it
Ma'am,
up.
please send other page on class group.
Beta Vikas, wait.
Ma'am, I want to see the first one. Ma'am, please scroll down. Ma'am, my hands are paining.
Ma'am, can you tell what is written after there?
Beta there, which answer?
Ma'am, last one.
Ma'am, last.
Gautam Buddha lived and preached there for many years. For
So
many.
now can you change the screen?
Okay, children, now I'm changing the screen. Those who have not done, I will send the screen on the class.
Please send it in the class group.
Ma'am, there's question 4 also.
Ma'am, please send the screen. Ma'am, please scroll down.
Ma'am, my hands are too much tired.
Okay, so children, you want me to stop here? Shall we stop the written work over here?
No, ma'am.
Ma'am.
No, beta, if you say if you're not being able to write, I'll stop it here. Don't exert so much. Okay, because you're writing since morning. So let's leave it till here only.
No, ma'am, I can write.
Ma'am, I can also write.
Okay, anyone who cannot write? Sarthak, are you very tired, beta?
Oh, ma'am, not much, but I'm tired, but not much.
So, children, let's do one thing. Let's do only till question number 4 and then we'll stop. Okay? We'll do answer the following in detail in the CT lecture. We'll not do it now. Just give a break to yourselves.
No, ma'am, we will do it now. We will play in city again.
Let's play now. Yes?
No, ma'am, we want
No,
to play
ma'am.
in
Ma'am, the half of period is gone writing, so ma'am, half and half of the period we.
Okay,
Ma'am,
still, we'll
ma'am,
play.
there is a little bit to play.
Yes.
Ma'am, but in the CT lecture, we can play the whole period.
In CT lecture, we are going to play only, don't worry. And now, in this lecture, just do till answer the following in brief. Need not do answer the following in detail. Rest 10 minutes or 15 minutes, we are just going to chit chat.
Okay, ma'am. I'm just writing answers the following.
Ma'am, what is written after the crops grown in the state of Gujarat are?
Jowar, 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 bajra, cotton, oilseeds, sugarcane, and wheat.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, what is written after importance of the?
Importance of the
Northern Plains. Ma'am, I have written questions of answer the following detail.
Ma'am, I have done Pratyaksh.
Those who have done the work, please click picture and send it on the class group.
Yes, ma'am, I am sending.
Ma'am, I have sent it.
Ma'am, send. So what we will do till now, till that class get over? Just sit and get bored.
Why sit and get bored? Why sit and get
Ma'am, my 2 questions are left for checking. You have not checked my 1 question, sorry.
Who is saying this work? Oh, this thing.
Ma'am, Vikas. Ma'am, Vikas.
2 questions are left. Which 2 questions, beta?
No, ma'am, only one.
I have read
And
the
fourth
whole.
question.
I have read the whole page and just put 2 ticks over there. The 2 ticks are for all the answers. Are you talking about the other page?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, that I'm checking, beta.
Ma'am, please scroll down.
Okay, now children, please let me share the link of my next class. Just a minute. What it to?
Ma'am, please scroll down.
Ma'am, please scroll down.
Why you want to write more?
Yes,
Do it
ma'am.
tomorrow. Beta, we'll do it tomorrow. Okay.
Okay, ma'am, till the time I will have my break.
Can I stop the screen share, children, now?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
You can share it if you want.
Ma'am, we write to.
No, I'm worried for you people also that you are writing since morning and you're very tired. Some of you are not tired, but we should think of the children who are tired also. What is the strength of the class? Just 13 children. Okay, let me bring my attendance register. I'll just take your attendance.
I have filled 7 pages.
Ma'am, I think I also.
Ma'am, I have filled 8 pages.
Ma'am, I am filled 6 pages.
Ma'am, I have filled 5 for key points and 2 for question answer in brief.
And
Ma'am,
why
I
are you telling this?
5.5 pages.
No. Why are you telling this?
7 or 6 pages I filled. What are you eating?
Paratha.
You can eat it in the break also.
Is my breakfast? In the break, I will have my lunch.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Arush
want to
Chaudhary. Yes.
Ma'am, when you gone to bring register, one name entered, the name was Oppo A7 3GB.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, today Arush Chaudhary is there in the class. Arush Chaudhary, open your camera. I am seeing you after such a long time in the class. Okay, ma'am. Let me see you at least. Why don't you attend your classes, beta? Anmol Singh, Araf Solanki. Araf Solanki is not there. He was there in the previous period. Now he's not there. Arpit Verma
Ma'am, let
is
us
not
do
there.
that.
Yes.
Ma'am, we can do that. That the students which attend the class regularly will turn off their camera, and the ones who do not attend the classes regularly, they will open their camera. Ma'am,
Yes.
because
It
ma'am,
should be.
because you think you are tired seeing our faces.
No, I am not tired. I feel very happy to see your faces.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
I like my camera.
Ma'am, I have pain in my back.
Huh? Now you want me to tell you some exercise for your back also? Yes, like I told you for your fingers.
Institution.
If you want, I can tell. Anmol, just stand on the ground. Join your feet. Stand on the ground. Yes, join your feet. Take your hands up high in the air. And bend down. Without bending your knees, you have to touch your hands to your feet. Bend down. बेटा अपने हाथों से अपने पैर छुओ. अपनी knees bend नहीं करनी. Legs should be absolutely straight. है ना? Try to bend. Do this 2-3 times. अरे so in so much speed. Do it slowly. Like this, you're going to increase the pain of your back. And then
मैम
step
जब मैं स्लो
backward.
करता हूँ तो मेरे टच नहीं हो पाते नीचे.
Yes?
Ma'am,
जब मैं स्लो
ma'am,
करता हूँ तो मेरे टच
Arush
नहीं हो
opened his
पाते.
camera.
What is Shirsh saying? I can't understand.
Ma'am, Arush opened his camera.
Welcome to your online class, Arush. How are you?
Fine.
Fine. Why were you
So
not
I'm
attending your classes? Why were you not attending, beta? Where were you? Had you gone out somewhere?
Yeah, I think. Yes, ma'am. I'm going on my nanny house.
Okay, you were at your nani's house. Even Devansh had gone to his nani's place. This is nani season going on, huh?
And my nanny is at my house only.
Oh, very nice.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Ma'am, sometime I go to my nanny's house and ma'am, sometime nanny come to my house.
Yes. This is
And
how
ma'am,
it
she
happens.
stay for months.
At your place.
Yes, ma'am, because when my mother and father school opens, so ma'am, my sister and I am alone at home, ma'am. That's why.
Okay.
Ma'am, my village is too much far.
Huh?
And
Yes,
ma'am,
ma'am, my village is 200 kilometers far from my home.
My God.
when I go
Ma'am,
to
my nanny's house is
2 days,
just
2 or 1.
in the front of my colony.
Oh, your nanny stays so close to your place. So you must be meeting your nanny on daily basis, huh? Every day you must be meeting your nanny, Sarthak.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, my
Ma'am,
nanny's
I
house is
wish, ma'am, I wish my
my
nanny
nanny-
lived near my house.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I see the Arush yesterday only on its house.
Both of you stay very close to each other's house.
Yes, ma'am. Arush live in third there and I also.
Very good. Very nice.
Yeah, Anmol and his taekwondo.
What
Now
time?
my nanny is at my house. Because after 4 days there is my birthday.
Very good. Very good.
But we should do 500 kilometers tour.
Ma'am, but my birthday is in between the final exams.
Okay, wait. What is Stuti saying? Stuti, what are you saying? I can't understand what you said.
500 kilometers.
Children, can you understand what she's saying?
No, ma'am. Ma'am, she's saying that his nanny's house is above from his house 500 kilometers long.
She stays 500 kilometers away from your house, your nanny. Where does she stay?
Ma'am, when all are talking, then
Where is that place? In which state? Something is wrong with Stuti's mic. I don't know. Her microphone is not fine. I can't
excuse me,
understand.
ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, my birthday is in between the final exams.
Oh
It is
no.
on 13th March.
Oh, very bad. That's a very sad news. Hmm?
And my birthday was in the unit test, 13th November.
And ma'am, I also in between the unit test between the 25 November, I think.
So many
My birthday is safe.
Ma'am, so near of the unit test.
So many birthdays
Yes.
gone waste, huh? In exams. So did you do anything on your birthday?
Ma'am, I called my friends.
And you had
Ma'am,
exams?
I celebrate my birthday
Ma'am.
after the exam.
Ma'am,
Yes.
I did my friends stay till 10 o'clock.
Very nice. Very good. The birthdays should be celebrated. whatever the case is, even if exams are going on, the birthday should be celebrated. It comes
And
just
ma'am, you
once
know,
in a year. Yes.
ma'am, you know, Shaurya live near my house.
Shaurya, who Shaurya? Shaurya Tyagi?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, I think now he shifted
यार
to another
yes
place.
ma'am sorry shifted in one colony. I don't know that name.
Okay, now tell me, in which state the festival of Baisakhi is celebrated? In
Punjab.
Punjab.
Very good.
Punjab.
Punjab.
Oh, the other class has started joining. How much time is left for this class?
Ma'am, 3 minutes.
Ma'am, 3.
Ma'am, 1 minute. Ma'am, 1 minute.
Ma'am, 3. Ma'am,
Yes,
3.
according to the remaining time, it's 3 minutes. But if you look at the clock,
Ma'am, it is not
Ma'am, the meeting started late.
Ma'am, the class started 3 minutes
Yes,
late.
ma'am.
3 minutes late. Yes, we were late by 3 minutes. I don't know why it happens like that. The meeting is started on time and then.
Ma'am, I think today your all periods
Ma'am,
are
other
with
class.
fourth class.
Yes.
Ma'am, first 3 period with fourth B and now the fourth period with fourth C.
So, ma'am, we have to leave this class now.
Yes, beta, just leave it after a minute. Okay. Okay, next question. Where does the president of the country live? Where does the president?
New Delhi.
Ma'am, Delhi, New Delhi. Ma'am, New Delhi. Ma'am, New Delhi.
Okay. Where are Kurukshetra and Panipat? In which state?
Haryana.
Haryana. Ma'am, Haryana.
Okay. Which place is a union territory and also a city?
Ma'am, Delhi.
Ma'am, Delhi. Ma'am, Delhi. Ma'am, Chandigarh.
Ma'am, Chandigarh. Ma'am, Chandigarh.
Ma'am, Chandigarh.
Ma'am, Chandigarh and
Ma'am,
Delhi.
Chandigarh and Delhi.
Delhi is a state. It is not a city. It comes under a state.
Ma'am, I said only Chandigarh.
Yes. Delhi is a union territory and a state, while Chandigarh is a union territory and a city.
And city.
Then,
Ma'am, can we leave, ma'am? Because I think Mari ma'am will
yes,
say
beta, yes. Now you
where you are.
in your next class. Go.
Where was you?
Haryana.
Bye, ma'am.